Open the UCOCARE app. Click plus in the upper right corner of the homepage and select Scan to add. Scan the QR code on the side of the camera. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power it on. The startup ringtone sounds and light on. Camera is powered on. Press the power button twice quickly. The blue LED is blinking. Camera is now in pairing mode. Select the home base and confirm. Start connecting to camera. This may take a moment. Please wait patiently. Added successfully. Tap here to set the camera name. Tap OK to start the camera installation guide.